Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Ashwini Sabal, librarian from Central Library TGP. Because of this pandemic, no one can use this physical library. So don't worry. Today I will show you how to use the e-library with Delnet portal. So follow the steps to access the e-library. First of all, you have to open the browser and type delnet.in. You have to Delnet login now. A page will be open and you have to enter the ID password. First of all, username mstgpcat, password is tgp2917. Then press login. The page is open here. There are different types of options on the home page. First of all, I will tell you about the Knowledge Gainer portal. You can access more than 1 crore e-material from here. You click on link for e-access. The page is open now. For example, you searching for cyber security books. You see here, all books is here related cyber security. Search. You see, all books is here related cyber security. Then click on full text of book. Book will be open in full text. You can save these books, download in your system. You can read and download also. The PDF copy is here. So this is all about Knowledge Gainer portal. You can access from here more than 1 crore ebooks. Then repeat, we go to on the then repeat, go to on the home page for different keys. Then repeat, go to on home page for different keys. Now we will go on language learning portal. Here is a various foreign language classes. If you want to learn different language, you have to access this portal. Here is different types of language you can access here, or classes is available here. Okay. Then again go to on the home page. Here is a key of manuscript and rare book collection. Click on manuscript and rare book. More than 10,000 rare books and manuscript is here. You can access it. Then again go to on home page. Here is a key of e-journals. More than 15 department journals are here. We will see, for example, we will see the engineering technology journals. Click on engineering technology journals. More than 10 branches is here. Example, we click on computer science journals. Here is a display list. More than 100 journals are here. For department wise and volume wise, year wise. Journals is open here. So this is all about the journals for different branches and departments. Then again go to on home page. Now we will see about the thesis. More than 1 lakh. This key is very important for projects. More than 1 lakh full text thesis from all over the world in full text is here. You can access it for your project and thesis. So this is all about the Delnet portal. If you want any query, please contact the library. Thank you so much.